Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first video ever on YouTube እና ከመጀመሪያ በፊት ራሴን ላስተዋውቃችሁ ብሌን እባላለሁ የአዳማ ሳይንስና ቴክኖሎጂ ዩኒቨርሲቲ የአምስተኛ ዓመት የአርኪቴክቸር ተማሪ ነኝ። ይሄንን ቻናል የጀመርኩበት ምክንያት is that it's my senior year እና ይሄ የመጨረሻ ዓመቴ ስለሆነ I want to document and create memories በፊት ላይ ያልሞከርኳቸውን ነገሮች አዳዲስ ነገሮች እሞክራለሁኝ። I'm going to post a lot about campus life ካምፐስ ጋር የተያያዘ ብዙ ነገሮችን ፖስት አደርጋለሁኝ። if you're interested, it's something that you can learn from እና እሱ ብቻ ሳይሆን ደግሞ it's something that you're also going to love and enjoy. So today we're going to talk about my expectations versus reality. እዚህ ግቢ ከመግባቴ በፊት የነበረኝን expectation በትንሹም like let me share it to you. It all starts with the first step, right? 12ኛ ክፍል እንደ ማንኛውም ተማሪ ማትሪክ ተፈትኜ የጨረስኩ ጊዜ ማለት ነው። ማትሪክ was good. የአዳማ ዩኒቨርሲቲ አፕላይ አደረኩኝ፣ ፈተና አለፍኩ፣ ሰው ገባው። ኦልሞስት ወደ 6 ወር አካባቢ አርፈናል። እኛ ቀጥታ አልገባንም እንደተመደብን። ሶ በዛች 6 ወር ውስጥ we spent time, we had fun and all. ከዛ በኋላ ግቢ የምንገባበት ጊዜ ደረሰ። instead of like searching ይሄ ስለ አዳማ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ምናምን realistic የሆነውን ነገር ሰርች እንደማድረግ I started watching, like I got curious. college life ምንድን ነው የሚመስለው? campus life በቃ I got curious. So I started watching movies like All Americans እና Grownish. I don't know, እሱን ሙቪ ካያችሁት you would know. I started watching those movies and ስለ ኮሌጅ በጣም ኤክሳይትድ መሆን ጀመርኩኝ። like if you saw the movie you would know. እዛ የራሳቸው የሆነ ዶርም አላቸው፣ ኪችን አላቸው፣ አንድ ላይ ነው የሚኖሩት። በቃ በጣም ጽድት ያለ ነው አካባቢያቸው። እነሱ ራሳቸው like they look so great እና I thought ዩኒቨርሲቲ እኔም እንደዛ ነው በቃ ብዬ ለራሴ የሆነ delusion አስቀምጫለሁኝ። at some point I know ዩኒቨርሲቲ that much አሪፍ እንዳልሆነ በጣም I started to get very excited and then ጊዜው ደረሰና ገባው ማለት ነው። So I was still delusional, but like, you know, some things were like got me like okay, this is not what I was expecting, because college just swimming pool አይቻለሁ፣ movie ላይ ብዙ ነገር አይቻለሁ እና at some point I got a little sad. Again, I didn't give up on my delusions. I still kept dreaming. First time cafe ገባው። The first thing ወደ ሪያሊቲው በቃ የመለሰኝ ካፌ ነው። I wanted to be non cafe, like መግባት አልፈለኩም ነበር መጀመሪያ። ከዛ ግን my families were like, why would you not, like, you know, who do you think you are? እንደ ማንኛውም ሰው ካፌ ገብተሽ ኤክስፒሪየንስ ማድረግ አለብሽ ተባልኩኝ። ሰው ካፌ ገባው። ከዛ like ትሪ ያነሳው ሳህን ምናምን፣ ትሪው ራሱ ትልቅ ነው። I was like እንዴ ይሄንን እንዴት ነው ሰው በልቶ የሚጨርሰው ምናምን። ከዛ ይዤ ሄድኩኝና ሴትዮዋ እንትን ምንድነው ወጥ የምትቀዳው ሴትዮ እንደዚህ ወጡን ጨለፈችውና ወረወረችው ማለት I was not expecting that. like በቃ ወጡ በለራሱ ቀጭን ነው፣ በቃ ሲወረወር ደግሞ you can imagine, like I'm not even exaggerating ማለት ነው። it's just ከዛ ተፈነጣጠረ ምናምን። I took it personally.
እንዴት ወጡን ትወረውራለች? ይሄ እንዴት disrespectful በቃ እንዴት
I was really offended, and yeah, that's the first time reality በቃ it just slapped me on my face like this, like a big slap. And yeah, let me tell you what kind of person I was. social awareness አልነበረኝም። ሲቀጥል I was careless, nonchalant, like I didn't care about anything, anybody, everything. So I had a nickname, like my physical appearance ራሱ it was በጣም በቃ the most careless person ሊለብስ የሚችለው አይነት አለባበስ ነበረ እና people named ምንድነው ስም ያወጡልኝ nickname ባጊ ብለው። ጥሩ ነው እንደውም it's not that bad, you know, because they thought I wanted to be like a tomboy or stuff like that, but that was not the thing like that I was trying to do. I was just careless. That's it. And I never thought አምስተኛ ዓመት እደርሳለሁ ብዬ to be honest ማለት አምስተኛ ዓመቶች በጣም ትልልቅ ሰዎች ሆነው ነው የሚታዩ እንኳን አምስት ሶስተኛ ዓመቶች በጣም ትልልቅ ሰዎች ነው ሆነው የሚታዩኝ እና I'm finally here. I mean, nothing's impossible, right? To be honest, በጣም expect እንዳደረኩት አይደለም ማለት I've seen a lot of change in my life. I had a lot of experiences. ይሄ በወሬ የምንሰማቸው አይነት ነገሮች አሉ አይደለ? Friendship experience. ከዛ በቃ like ላይፉ ከትምህርቱ በላይ ላይፉ ይከብዳል የሚባለው ነገር I proved that ራሴ prove አድርጌዋለሁ right እንደሆነ true እንደሆነ ማለት ነው. So after a lot of times, you know, time passed and stuff like that, and we're here. That's the point, right? I wanted to show my journey because I know there's a lot of people out there who are still like feeling እኔ እንደነበርኩት በፊት በጣም ብዙ ይኖራሉ ብዬ አስባለሁ. This is not only teaching ነገር ብቻ ሳይሆን it's also gonna be fun. So like I want you to learn from it and to have fun, and yeah, because I do believe currently I'm a very aware person. I can say that I'm very conscious, like, you know, I'm living my life the way I want to live. No, ይሄ ነገር የመጣው ከእኔ like ራሴ ዲቨሎፕ አድርጌው ራሴ ላይ ኢንቨስት አድርጌበት ምናምን አይመስለኝም ነው ብዬ አላስብም። ግን like already ካመጣው ምንድነው ኤክስፒሪየንስ ካደረኳቸው ነገሮች ነው ይሄንን ነገር ያመጣሁት። አሁን ላይ የሆንኩት ብሌን is because of the experiences I had, and I want to become the best version, and that's what this journey about. Teaching others, teaching myself, either like this is something ራሴ መማርበት ሌላ ሰው የሚማርበት ብቻ ሳይሆን it's also gonna be fun. So you know, like keep in touch. Yeah, subscribe. I don't know, like this is my first time, don't judge me, but I see people doing that. Subscribe follow, like, do whatever you gotta do down there. Yeah, thank you for listening, and thanks for your time. Bye.